everybody, it's Brian with Team Aquascape, and I am so excited to tell you about our first time ever backyard giveaway. And when I mean backyard giveaway, I really mean backyard makeover complete with a custom water feature. We are so excited about this contest giveaway. When I say we, I mean all of the past artists of the year. That's right, all of the past artists of the year are gonna come out and custom design a backyard with a water feature for you.
Guys, I'm so excited to be a part of this
amazing makeover opportunity
that includes what our expert crew,
me and my fellow artists of the year,
can build in your space.
How cool is that?
Imagine a beautiful pond, a waterfall,
or a Fountainscape as the centerpiece of your new landscape.
So what's all included in your backyard makeover?
It's whatever we can install in just 3 days.
Custom designed to fit in the space that you choose.
In addition to the water feature, we might even include
a deck, a patio, pergola,
a bridge over a stream,
landscaping, plants, pond plants,
fish, and flowers.
So, who are the Aquascape Artists of the Year?
We are certified water feature installers.
and we were voted on and selected for our artistic skills in building water features all over the world.
A new artist has been awarded every year since 2012.
And they are the best of the best.
Just having one of them install your feature is a treasured opportunity.
But all of us will gather to install a dream space for one lucky winner.
You want to know who designs your winning space?
I'll tell you who designs the water feature. Me. I've been designing water features for Aquascape for over 30 years, and one of my favorite parts of my job is custom designing water features to meet unique spaces and unique personalities. And if I come out, I'll have 2 goals. One of the goals will be to impress you. The more important goal will be to impress myself. I want to do something so different and so unique, but still matches your unique space and your unique personality.
Does the makeover have to be a backyard, Diego?
I don't think so.
No, in fact, we encourage you to think outside the box.
You can enter the contest on behalf of a school,
A retirement center,
A health and wellness facility,
a local park.
The possibilities are really endless, so we want you guys to be creative.
But don't water features require a lot of maintenance?
Well, first of all, no, not when they're built correctly.
If you're worried about having your water feature maintained after it's installed, we got you covered.
in addition to the makeover, we're including a free maintenance contract for your water feature for 2 years.
a certified Aquascape contractor in your area
Will ensure that your pond, waterfall, or fountain
Is properly maintained for the first 2 years.
So, who can enter this contest?
The contest is limited to legal residents in the US and Canada.
So is there only one winner?
No.
Luckily for you guys, in addition to the grand prize backyard makeover,
A second place winner that gets an Aquascapes 8x11 pond kit.
And a third prize winner will get an 18-inch stacked slate fountain kit.
Be on the lookout for social media posts from all of us Artists of the Year winners about this contest.
For Facebook, you must be a registered user of Facebook to enter on Facebook.
The same goes for Instagram. You need to be a registered user of Instagram.
Ditto for YouTube. Follow all of the Artists of the Year on YouTube and look for videos throughout the summer.
you're going to want to look for contest posts from all of the artists.
And follow the instructions to enter.
Who are all of us artists of the year?
we are listed in the description of this video. Take a look.
How do they even get started on this?
The official entry form and rules can be found online at
AOTYcontest.com.
That's AOTYcontest.com.
Or as we said, check us out on social media and be sure to engage.
What does engaging with all of us on social media mean?
Amazing that you're going to be able to, just by liking, commenting, and sharing, it's actually going to give you more points to win this contest.
What do you mean, earn points?
It's a contest. You gotta earn points.
a point is earned through social media interactions.
Guys, you will get extra points for following, liking,
Commenting, sharing, and watching our posts and videos.
So what this means is the more you like, comment, share, and engage on social media,
The greater your chances are of winning, so don't be shy.
How are finalists chosen?
At the end of the contest, finalists are going to be chosen based on the points you earned through social media engagement on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
How many finalists are there?
Each Artist of the Year will have a single finalist based on who has interacted the most with all of our social media accounts.
So if you're chosen as a finalist, what is next?
We will contact you, and you will need to submit a video or a short essay detailing why you should be the winner of the Backyard Makeover.
So what are the judges going to be looking for in these videos?
We're looking for creativity and originality in your video or essay.
And you want to be sure to include how you plan on living the aquascape lifestyle. lifestyle. In other words, how you will be enjoying your water feature and your outdoor space.
Is your family going to enjoy it? Do you have dogs? There's all kinds of ways that you can incorporate in this essay or video.
So when will the winner be announced?
We'll announce the grand prize winner along with the second and third place winners on January 31st, 2026.
The actual makeover will happen sometime between the spring and summer of 2026.
Who is actually going to build all this?
All of us.
Our crew and every past artist of the year.
Our whole team will be headed your way for this dream installation, so be ready for some fun.
You guys can get all the details on the contest entry form.
Just head over to aotycontest.com and follow the instructions.
So unlike us, make sure you read the contest rules and instructions.
Did you know that a lot of contest entries are thrown out because people don't follow the rules?
Don't be that person.
Share the contest, engage with the artist's social media accounts, and share some more. Your dream space is just a few clicks away.
You guys have to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It's gonna be awesome.
Well, hopefully that works for you guys. If not,
No.
Yes.
So who can enter?
Brian!
Brian Helfrich, duh.
What do you mean earn points? What do you mean?
When will... This feels so strange. When will this winner be announced?
Don't be shy.
That sounds really stupid.
No. In addition to the...
Or my house. You know, the thing.
The thing. And if you're in Florida in December, that's probably the golden ticket right there.
You better do a lot of
Nobody
walking.
wants to build here in December.
That's for sure.
I can't remember, this thing is killing me. Beep.
I've built a lot of IKEA stuff badly because of that. So trust me, read the instructions.
We can't wait to meet the lucky winner. I hope it's you.
Stay tuned.